Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger update. It is November the 4th, so I'd like to just give an update of what's happening here at the high school for the week of November the 4th through the 8th. Some things to fall back on last week. It was an exciting week here at the high school. I would like to just congratulate our Lady Tiger volleyball team on an outstanding year. They finished the season 31-5. I know we came up just a little bit short of our ultimate goal of winning the regional championship for a second straight year and going to Louisville Valley playing the KCAA state tournament. Just came up just a little bit short in one of the best volleyball matches that I've ever watched. So we got beat by Owensville Catholic 3-2 sets. But it was an outstanding year. We need to be sure that we don't just focus on that one night, that one loss. That we do need to just reflect on the success of the whole season. Really proud of those Lady Tigers. They did a great job. Friday night, we kind of redeemed ourselves a little bit. So our Fighting Tiger football team went to Hancock County and beat our arch rival 16-14. It was a great win for our Fighting Tigers. That made us 6-4 in the season, which was our first winning record since the 2000 school year. So 19 seasons have gone by. So very proud of our Fighting Tiger football team, our coaches, on the hard work and the success they had this season. Very proud of them. This week, that kind of concludes our fall sports seasons. So now we'll be having our banquets, and the month of November looks pretty open for our sporting events. But I'll kind of go through what's going on this week here at the high school. Again, we will have our normal Mentor Monday today here on Monday. Students will be going in there and meeting with certain groups working on their ILPs. We will be having our Tiger Time ACT intervention groups tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. And then Thursday and Friday will be interventions for our practical living, to help those students. We have been working with our students that are failing classes, so be sure that you talk with your child, see if they're failing any classes. Be sure you call the school here if you need any assistance on how to get your child some help. We do offer tutoring Monday through Thursday. That's in our library from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, so please take advantage of those. We'd like to wish our Lady Tiger or Fighting Tiger cheerleading squad good luck this weekend, as they'll be competing in their KCAA regionals. That's at Owensboro High School. And then I'd like to wish our dance team good luck on next Saturday at the 16th. They'll be competing at Muhlenberg County in their regional finals. We do have 2 weeks until our midterm. That'll be the midpoint of the second 9 weeks. So that is right around the corner. That is next Friday. We'll be handing out progress reports on Monday the 18th. That concludes this week's Tiger Minute. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.